In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pricing table in Dreamweaver. We'll walk through the process step by step, so whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, you'll find this guide helpful. Let's dive right in by opening Dreamweaver. This software is a powerful tool for web development and design. It's important to start with Dreamweaver because it provides an integrated environment where you can write and preview your code in real time, which is essential for creating web pages efficiently. Once Dreamweaver is open, create or open an HTML page. This is where your pricing table will live. If you're starting from scratch, creating a new HTML page gives you a clean slate. If you're adding a pricing table to an existing project, opening your current HTML page will allow you to integrate the new elements seamlessly. Next up, click on Split View. This feature is crucial because it allows you to see both the code and the design view simultaneously. You'll be able to make changes in the code and instantly see how they affect the layout, which is invaluable for troubleshooting and perfecting your design. Now, let's start building our pricing table. Inside the body of your HTML, add the following code. This code creates the structure of your pricing table with 3 different plans: Basic, Pro, and Premium. Each plan is represented by a div with a class of plan. This is important because it lets us style each plan individually later on. You'll notice each plan has a heading, a price, and a brief description of what's included. This setup is simple yet effective for conveying the necessary information to potential customers. At this point, we need to add some style to our table to make it visually appealing. Head over to the head section of your HTML and insert this CSS code. The CSS will style the pricing table, making it flexible and easy to read. The display flex property is particularly important here. It aligns the plans horizontally, creating a clean and professional look. The gap of 20 pixels ensures that each plan is spaced evenly, enhancing readability. The styles for the plan class add a border, padding, and center the text, giving each plan a distinct and polished appearance. With that ready, make sure you save your file. This action is crucial because it ensures all your changes are stored. You wouldn't want to lose your progress if something unexpected happens. Now, to see your work in action, click on Live View or simply press F12. This will render your HTML and CSS, showing you exactly how your pricing table will look in a web browser. It's a great way to verify that everything is displaying correctly and to make any necessary adjustments. Congratulations, you've now created a pricing table in Dreamweaver. Having a clear and well-designed pricing table is key because it can significantly impact a user's decision-making process. A well-structured table can communicate your offerings clearly and professionally. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with Dreamweaver and HTML, the more confident you'll become. Thanks for joining me today. Happy coding and see you in the next tutorial.